Over the weekend, a video went viral from an incident that actually took place on December 5th, 2020. In the video, we see Second Lieutenant Caron Nazario being pepper sprayed multiple times by a Windsor, Virginia police officer. Lieutenant Nazario has filed a lawsuit with the U.S. District Court citing, quote, unlawful seizure, excessive force, illegal search, violating his First Amendment right to free speech, and common law assault, battery, and false imprisonment. Joining me now to discuss this is Second Lieutenant Caron Nazario's attorney, Mr. Jonathan Arthur. Mr. Arthur, thank you so much for joining me. First of all, before we get into the specifics of the case, the most important question I have is, how is your client doing right now?
So he's hanging in there. The attention and the outpouring from the media and from really our fellow Americans has been phenomenal and supportive for him. When the news story first broke, we were expecting the trolls, because the trolls come out, but the support from the people in the community has been, it's helped him a whole lot. We're still concerned about retaliation from law enforcement and concerned about retaliation from some of the elements that like to back law enforcement actions no matter what they do.
Talk to me about that. What exactly is he concerned about? I know you said retaliation. Has he been getting threats? Has anything happened to make him feel this way, or is this a general feeling of just racism in the nation?
We'll say yes to the last part, and you go to the part about the threats. If you take a look at the video, the officers threatened to destroy this man's military career if he spoke out, right? And, if you've seen the documents and read the lawsuit, we're alleging and we believe that they went back to their police department right after they pulled this stunt and put statements that were materially false into the record in the event that they needed to pull the trigger, if you will, on this retaliation. So now that he decided to speak out, put himself on the line, he's worried about the retaliation.
What were some of the statements that were materially false that they put in his file just in case he spoke out? What were some of those things?
So I do not have the use of force reports in front of me, so I'm going to paraphrase, which may be a little bit dangerous, but I believe both Officer Gutierrez, or former Officer Gutierrez, and Officer Croker stated that my client, slapped their hands away before they tried to pepper spray him. For example, said that he was not complying, said that he didn't have his license plate on his vehicle. All of those are materially false. The video demonstrates it. And the fact that these officers decided that they didn't even need to worry about the video camera, put these in the official record, is beyond me.
So many people in the country, millions of people, in fact, in the country have already seen the video. But can you kind of take us through that night of December 5th, 2020, and tell us, particularly the parts that we don't get to clearly see or hear in the body camera video. Let's start with the fact he gets pulled over ostensibly for not having a license plate. It was a new car. He did have a plate, though, did he not?
He did, right? And, if you take a look at the videos, both Officer Croker and former Officer Gutierrez's body-worn camera footage, you can see the license plate when they get out of the vehicle. It's in the upper right-hand back corner of that vehicle, like where anyone else would put a temporary DMV tag. It's sitting right there. But we got to take the story back even a little bit farther, right? When Officer Croker initiates this traffic stop. So the lights go on, and if you're watching the body cam footage, you see Officer Croker pass this Amazon tractor trailer. The lights go on, and almost immediately, this Amazon tractor trailer passes the squad car again. So we get this external verification that my client has slowed down. Then Officer Croker starts relaying the speed back to dispatch over the radio. And you hear him say 23. You hear him say 18. This is below the posted speed limit. Again, my client is submitting to their show of authority. So he's pulling up, and it's dark. It's 6 o'clock in December. There's no lights on 460. He turns on his turn signal, and he waits and pulls over at a well-lit gas station for his safety and for the officer's safety, like we're all trained to do. And
this is entirely legal, right? I mean, that's an important point that you make here, because there are people who will say, well, you know, if the officer pulls you over, you got to pull over immediately. He slowed down his speed. He makes it clear. He puts on a turn signal to recognize compliance, and then he goes to a well-lit area. These are all things that we are legally permitted to do as drivers, no?
We're encouraged to do it, right? For you know, you don't want to pull over on the side of an unlit road and make an officer do a traffic stop where he might get hit by a car. You're told to pull over. Told to pull over for your own safety, just in case the officers decide to take the law into their own hands, if you will. And the worst part is, Gutierrez admits that he knew exactly what was going on, that it happens to him pulling over, notwithstanding his original statements that my client was trying to elude them, says that it happens to him all the time. Gutierrez also says 80% of the time it's a minority, but he does say it happens to him all the time. So for the people that say my client wasn't submitting to authority, they're patently wrong.
I heard at one point former Officer Gutierrez say that your client was fixing to ride the lightning.
How about that?
What does that mean?
So ride the lightning, at least down here in Virginia, is a nice little colloquial expression for a state execution by electric chair, right? Old Smoky, which I actually think we finally got rid of. But yeah, he's threatening to kill my client over a traffic stop when my client is calm, submitted to their authorities, keeping his hands out of the video, and just asking what's going on. It's completely inexcusable. And when you take into account some of the more, the racially biased application of the death penalty all over the United States, and especially in Virginia, it adds just an even deeper layer of grotesque insanity to Officer Gutierrez's behavior.
This happened in December. It is now April. Why are we just hearing about it?
You're not hearing about it because the Virginia pilot decided to break the story. You know, I first got the video, the cell phone footage from Lieutenant Nazario, got the dash cam footage, or the body cam footage, excuse me, and some of the other documents from the town of Windsor police. And we made a decision not to alert anybody when we filed. So we filed on April 2nd, and the Virginia pilot found out. So that's why you're hearing about it now.
We have to go, but before you do, please tell me, what does justice look like in this instance? You know, a lot of times when people get killed, we say, you know, we can't get justice because the person's no longer with us. In this case, the officer's fired, the video's viral, the governor, everyone from the governor on down, and maybe even the president at this point is paying attention to this story. But what does justice look like?
Well, only one of the officers was fired, right? The second officer, who conducted a patently illegal search, reloaded a firearm, placed it on the driver's seat, and made my client try and figure out how he was not going to get shot in the back when he got in his car, because he was going to touch a firearm with two officers behind him who had already threatened to kill him. You know, what does justice look like here? Obviously, that these officers are precluded from being officers again, right? We can't have this type of behavior. We can't have these people running around terrorizing the populations. Justice would look like precedent that we can use in our court systems to overcome things like qualified immunity, to hold these officers accountable. It will look like retraining, revamp of procedures, a retooling of the police state. Whether we will accomplish this,
wow,
I do not know. But justice looks like no longer having to worry about whether you're going to get murdered at a BP gas station because one of the cops initially thinks he may not see your license plate.
Jonathan Arthur, thank you so much for joining us here on Black News Tonight.